Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another video by your girl here, Big Bubbly Beauty. It's great to see you all again. So today's video is the FabFitFun Winter Edit Sale unboxing and haul. I actually do forget, and I always forget what I get in these things because it takes so long for them to come after I order them. So I kind of forget what's in them, but I'm really excited to open this up and let's get into it. I did try to be a bit more frugal this time, so hopefully there's less. We shall see. So the first thing is big. I think this was a set. So it is a laundry bin, some cloth storage bins, and a candle. Just for reference, I do not actually plan on using the laundry bin as a laundry bin. I plan on using it as a storage bin, but it was just a nice big fabric bin that I could get, and it came as a set, and I like fabric organizers, so that's why I got it. Oh yeah, there we go. She big. She needs to properly sit for a little bit, but that is that one. Ooh, these are nice. So I got these because my closet has an organization system with little cubbies, and I just wanted little things that I could put in those cubbies and pull out to kind of organize my stuff in there. There's different sizes of cubbies, so this one might be too big for the cubby, but I can definitely find use for it. And this one is definitely too big for the cubbies, but this is for the shelf. So I can put stuff in it and then just pull it out from the top shelf. So that's what all these were for organizing my house a little bit better. I still need to fully organize it because we haven't unpacked everything yet, and it's kind of bothering me. So I want to unpack fully. I want to get everything organized in its place, have a place for everything, and then I can actually feel settled in my new house. We've been here for like, oh God, almost a year now, and I still haven't unpacked everything. A little sad. So this is a crystal candle. I thought was kind of cool. So this whole thing was a summer and rose bundle, just by the by. Whoa, this is a huge candle. Holy. Okay, it's got 2 wicks. I'm not surprised, honestly, considering the size of the sucker. It's huge. That's what she said. I'm not sure I like the smell of that. It smells kind of old person-ish. I don't know how else to say that. So it's the blue Chalcedony mineral candle. It's soy wax, it's 14 ounces, and it's a Roman chamomile scent. Not sure if I like that, but quite honestly, the more I'm smelling it, the more I like it. It's growing on me. It was just a little too intense at first, but now that it's starting to balance out, I actually quite like that. So cool. And I love this little jar. This is nice. I might peel this part off though. I don't know, the label just makes it. The label makes it look a little tacky. Okay, that I did not expect to come off. That does not seal well. Note to self, don't throw it around. Got it. So the next is another set, but this is like a small set. It is a bubble bath set. I am a girl who loves a good bubble bath, and I find that bubble baths just aren't sold that much anymore. So this is the marshmallow bubble bath. I'm going to smell it. Okay. Oh, that is not actually a plastic pit, that is a bubble. Smells kind of nice. I like that. Now, apparently, though, it's saying it's a body wash. I thought it was a bubble bath. I'm going to use it as a bubble bath, and hopefully it actually works as a bubble bath and not as a body wash. I feel like that was false marketing because it's telling you to use it like a body wash, not a bubble bath. Kind of upset now, actually. And then it comes with this marshmallow butter cream, which is just a body butter. Smells the same. It's got a cherry note, but also a very sweet scent to it. So it smells really good, like candy, like you would expect. Not like bubblegum, but like candy. So this one is pretty self-explanatory. It is a Whoosh screen shine polisher thing for screens. I don't own anything to clean my screens, and honestly, my laptop screen is kind of disgusting right now. So is my phone. So that's why I got this. It was out of necessity. So I am kind of a crazy person, and I shave without any shaving cream. I just shave with water, which is probably why my skin is so dry and so itchy most of the time. So I thought I would try a shave cream, like an actual shave cream, like a normal person. So this is the Wish Acai Grapefruit Shave Cream. It's nourishing and that's basically that. I decided to stop being so cruel to my skin and actually get a shaving cream to try and save my skin from whatever I do to it on a normal day-to-day basis. So that's what that's for. Kind of a bit of a boring haul, eh? Again, I got this Kind Lips Natural Lip Balm Variety Pack because I think I've said this in a video before, is I am notorious at losing my lip balms and I just want more around so that I don't lose them. This one here is supposed to be vanilla lemon. I can honestly not smell that much from that one. It's very light. This one is supposed to be sweet mint. That one smells like mint. That's really nice. And this one is Georgia Peach. Ooh, that smells really nice too. And these are supposed to help with bullying. So 20% of the profits are donated to prevent bullying. I like the cause box. I like things with a cause. That's good for the environment. That's good for causes that like anti-bullying, like women's rights. So cool. And I will hopefully now not need to buy any more lip balm, but I probably will because I will lose those as well. I'm kind of a mess. I am still on the hunt for the perfect anti-acne treatment that is easy to use and that I might actually use. So I got these. These are the 24-hour skin solutions wake up exfoliators. They are supposed to be, this works, and it's supposed to help counter morning breakouts and perk up tired looking skin. You use this in the morning. Yeah, that's basically it. How do these smell? Because they sound very citrusy, and I'm wondering if it's gonna be like, smell like cleaner. Oh yeah, that smells like cleaner. The really citrusy piney scents, or like citrusy lemony scents actually, like Mr. Clean Lemon. That's what this smells like. Sure, I'll put this on my face, I guess. So my lash curler has seen better days. It's very old, so I bought a new one. After doing some makeup videos, I was looking at it going, why am I still using this on my lashes? I'm gonna give myself an eye infection. And I just decided to get a new one. That's pretty much that. So last but not least is this yoga at home kit. And maybe this might be another videos where I trial this, see if it actually is good, if it works for me. It's supposed to come with yoga videos as well as some stuff to, I guess, help you on your yoga journey maybe. I don't know. But it comes with the yoga milk bath, which I love. It's no secret that I love it. I've said that in many videos. I love this stuff, and I bought more of it the last time and have promptly used it all, so I need more again. Good timing. It comes with a muscle fitness balm, which makes sense. If you're gonna do a lot of yoga, you want to have something to help with your muscles. It comes with yoga mat and fitness equipment cleansing wipes, which is good, again, for a yoga kit. There's a calming spray. You might have to look up how to use that. Yoga mat cleaner spray. Again, if you don't have the wipes with you, you can use the actual spray. And a balancing lotion. And I'm not sure what that's for either. But it's also supposed to come with yoga videos and stuff to do. So it contains a personalized yoga videos that will help turn your home into a luxury spa retreat. It includes 10 free videos and it says Yoga Basics 101, Mind Yoga Meditation, Dance Cardio Workout, Morning Green Smoothie Recipe How-To, Face Yoga, Intention Setting, Travel Yoga, Bedtime Yoga, and Vision Board, and like 2 classes with this yoga person. I'm excited to try it. We'll see how it goes. So this haul, as you could tell, was definitely more geared towards things that I need. And I tried to be a bit more direct with what I actually got this time around. Didn't get as many kind of trial items or frivolous items is another way of putting it. I kind of went more with, okay, what do I need? And bought those. So it's not the most exciting video, I don't think. I don't know. Hopefully you guys still enjoyed it. And I will see you next time, beautiful people. Bye.